Grapes can be typically grown in many varieties of soils. Soil containing clay should be avoided because it may have low drainage and salt accumulation. Soil pH should be between 5.5 and 7.5. Grapes need full sun, at least 7 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Warm days, cool nights, and low humidity generally produce higher quality grapes. The optimum temperature required for these plants is 15 to 40 degrees Celsius, and average rainfall should be around 50 to 60 centimeters. Grapes all over the world are consumed in many forms, such as fresh fruits, jam, juice, raisins, grapeseed oil, grapeseed extract, jelly, and wine. Grapes have many colors like crimson, black, dark blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, etc. Two major varieties of grapes are seeded and seedless. Seedless varieties will produce smaller grapes. Select grape varieties that are well suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Before planting grapevines, soak their roots in water for 2 or 3 hours. Grapevines should be planted in early spring after the date of the last hard freeze has passed. Space vines 6 to 10 feet apart, with rows spaced 8 to 10 feet apart. Water at time of planting. Grapevines will need to be trained to some sort of support to grow upward. Do not fertilize in the first year unless you have problem soil. Fertilize lightly in the second year of growth. Grapes shouldn't need much watering if grown outdoors, except in very dry conditions. Pruning is crucial for vine health and productivity. Pruning is done in late winter, when the plant is dormant, usually around March. Repeat this pruning each winter. Grapes produce fruit on shoots growing off of 1-year-old canes. For newly planted grapevines, remove any flowers for the first 2 years. Grapes are typically harvested from late summer to early fall, depending on the variety and climate. It's not so much the cold weather that affects grapes, but the lack of sunshine for ripening the fruit. If grapes aren't ripening, pinch back some of the foliage to let in more sunlight. The average yield obtained from a grape vineyard. It is around 20 to 33 tons per hectare in the second or third year of planting. The yield increases in the subsequent years. The life of a grapevine is 15 years, and the production and harvest is expected during the entire lifespan.